Hello everybody and welcome back to NASCAR Bros. Today we have a brand new box of NASCAR cards. We got the brand new PANINI Chronicles 2022 packs. This is going to be the second hobby box that we'll get this year. I'm excited for this one, so we get 4 hits. I believe there are 8 packs in there. But we're just going to go ahead and start this off with pack number 1 here. So, first card here, we got Tyler Ankrum. Got a Kevin Harvick. Got a pretty cool Jeff Gordon card. Put that one in the pile. Next up, we got Thad Moffitt. Riley Herbst. Garrett Smithley. This one's numbered to 99. That's cool. He's got the Neuratech. I know he ran for Rick Ware, but I don't think he ever actually ran that sponsor. Next card, we got a Kyle Busch. This card's very, very sick. He got his Skittles. That card's very cool. We'll put that one in the pile. And our last card is something I've never seen. We got a clear William Byron. That is very interesting, so you can just see right through it. We'll put that one in the pile too. So that's pretty cool. So our first pack, we got quite a few pretty cool cars. Hopefully we can get some more cards that look pretty cool in the next pack, which we'll be opening up right now. Looks like we got another clear one in here. It's in the back though. First up, we got Matt DiBenedetto. Pretty cool Kyle Busch card. I like this one. Got Michael McDowell. Got a Martin Truex Jr. Got a Natalie Decker. And another numbered. This one is Kyle Larson, 1 of 199. That one in the pile. Got, oh, here's our first hit. We got an Eric Almirola Fire Suit card. So, first hit is in pack number 2. Sounds pretty sick. And then right after that one, another Almirola. This is a clear card. I needed to focus. There we go. So, second clear card there. I think there might be one of those in every pack. Let's go ahead and get our third pack here. So, we already have 1 hit. Still 3 more in the box. Hopefully, we can get another one here. So, as our first card here, we got a Vinnie Miller. A Kevin Harvick in his Subway Fire Suit. Pretty cool Tony Stewart here. I like the colors on that one. Got a Richard Petty. That one's pretty nice. Got a Jade Buford. Jeff Gordon, same one that's on the box there. See in the back, so there we go. Got a pretty cool Jeff Gordon. And here we go, second hit, and this card is awesome. 1 of 10, Ty Gibbs autograph. Wow. That, so far, this is the best card I've ever gotten from a hobby box. 1 of 10, Ty Gibbs autograph. That is awesome. So we're going to have to get a case for that. Second hit of the day. And our third hit, back-to-back. So 2 straight hits. This one is a Natalie Decker autograph. This one's not numbered. But we have back-to-back hits in the same pack. That is unreal. Look at that. So Natalie Decker, back-to-back hits. And to cap it off, we have another cool card. This one's another clear one. This one's Tony Stewart. I like that one quite a bit. So we've already gotten 3 hits, 2 in a row in the same pack. Which means there's only 1 more left here in the 3 more packs we have. Starting it off, we got Derek Kraus. Jeb Burton. Ty Gibbs. Danny Hamlin. Got another Ty Gibbs here. That one's cool. Santonio Ferrucci. Got a very nice Ricky Stenhouse. This is a big card. Put that one in the pile. So pretty cool Stenhouse. And very interesting Sammy Smith card here. It's almost like spider webs in the back. That card's pretty cool. Put that one in the pile too. Sammy Smith is a rather new driver. Oh, and this one's actually limited. On the back, it's 1 of 100. I didn't even see that, but that was pretty cool. So Sammy Smith, 1 of 100. That one caps off that pack. Which means we have 2 more hits and 2 more packs. Oh, excuse me, just 1 more hit. And it does not look like we'll get it in this pack unless it's an autograph. So enough, we do have a limited 99 Todd Gilliland. Sounds cool. You got a season ticket Tommy Joe Martins. Got a Cole Custer. Ryan Ellis. That one's cool. We got a Dale Jr. This card is very, very nice. Got a Kevin Harvick Next Gen car. It's cool. That's our first Next Gen card that we've gotten here. And yep, this is it. So our final hit from the box is a Spencer Boyd autograph. See if this one's limited. It is not, but there it is, our final hit, Spencer Boyd autograph. That'll cap off the hit. So 3 autographs and 1 fire suit card, as we will round out this pack with a Jeff Gordon here. Not limited, though. So that's it for the hits, but we do still have 1 more pack. Hopefully we can get some cool cards, and hopefully we can get an Alex Bowman, because he's my favorite driver. We have not gotten one of those in this pack. We haven't gotten any new Hendrick drivers except for 1 Larson. So we'll see what we can get in this pack. We're going to start it off with a Jesse Little limited to 199. We get a Harrison Burton. Got a Brandon Brown season ticket card. Sounds cool. Got a Ryan Blaney. Got Steven Parsons. Sounds cool. We got a Bubba Wallace Pedal to the Metal Next Gen card. I like that one. Here we go. Oh, there's 5 hits in this box. And this is one I love, a Justin Allgeyer autograph. He's my favorite Xfinity driver. Justin Allgeyer autograph. Not numbered, but it is number 3 of the production line. How about that? So we get 5 hits in the box. Let me see what it says. It says 4 or more. So we got 5, which is very lucky. So 5 hits. And that is amazing. Then the last card of this entire box, we got a Tony Bredinger Clear Vision card. And let's just look at all the hits we got, because we got 5. We got 2 back-to-back. That was a Natalie Decker and the Ty Gibbs. Then we got the Eric Almirola, too. So let's just look through all of these here. You can see them all here. We got 5 hits in a pack where we should have just gotten 4. So we get the Allgeyer autograph, which is pretty cool. We get the Spencer Boyd. A Natalie Decker autograph. The Eric Almirola fire suit card. And the limited to 10 Ty Gibbs. So, wow. Crazy box there. We get 5 hits when we should have gotten 4. And all 5 are very cool. wow, so that was a great pack. I got some pretty sick cards. Loving the Ty Gibbs. That's a 1 of 10. I'm sure that one's worth quite a bit. But that will do it for this video here. That was the Panini Chronicles 2022 Hobby Box. So that's going to do it here. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe. And until next time, have a good one.